Welcome back to another Motor News video. I am Thomas as always, and today we have Royal Enfield's new Super Meteor 650. To those who watch my videos, I told you that it was about time for Royal Enfield to create its new flagship with a two-cylinder engine. And here's his two. A brand new cruiser that I absolutely sure will be one of the best motorcycles of 2023, both by demand and by sales. What do we know about Super Meteor 650? Almost everything. I will start by saying that this model is equipped with the already known parallel twin 4-stroke 648cc engine that produces 47 horsepower, and its torque is 52.3 Nm at 5650 rpm. Yes, this is not Harley, not is it an Indian, but considering its weight, which is only its 241 kilograms, two persons can move freely on this motorcycle. Royal Enfield presents its Super Meteor in 3 modifications at EICMA Motorcycle Show in Milan. As a cruiser, as a tourer, and of course as a bobber. I like bobber better. It is more minimalistic and looks much more impressive. And most importantly, this model already have a 6-speed gearbox. It seems that Royal Enfield is not stopping and continues to attract a wider audience. Super Meteor inherited the triple navigation system powered by Google Maps from its predecessor, the Meteor 350 modification. And do you know what the philosophy of this motorcycle is? That this bike is very practical and I hope as durable as the Royal Enfield motorcycles, because it is based on the same platform as the Interceptor 650 and Continental GT 650. Maybe you guess where its engine got here. By the way, the brake system was also adopted from these models. In other words, in reality, there is nothing new here, only the body and the style itself. To be honest, I was expecting a Royal Enfield twin-cylinder cruiser and thought it would be the SG650 twin concept, but it turns out that Royal Enfield has different plans for this model. I will say frankly that the Super Meteor is not really as impressive as the SG615 twin concept, but the fact itself is important. The Royal Enfield has a very straight and lean philosophy when it comes to building motorcycles. Let's see, time will tell that the Super Meteor 650 can really do. It has yet to pass the test of time. Friends, I will remind you, you will find detailed date and technical characteristics directly in the video, in the form of titles. What do you think? Will be impressed. So friends, thanks for your attention. I'm Thomas and you always find interesting videos on my channel. See you!